another day here in the city. It is very gloomy. But anyway, right now we are driving towards Cebu Doctors because Vingle is not feeling well. So we're gonna have her check up. This is so exciting, at the same time pretty random. We just booked it a few minutes ago. So yeah, we're gonna go to a resort, guys, to chill for this weekend. So let's go. We're stuck in traffic. Normal?
Morning.
We are now heading to the resort, which is located in Lapu-Lapu. So we just passed by. Well, we're still here in CCLX.
Yeah.
This is our second time driving here, right?
Yeah.
The first time you were here as well. We went to 10,000 Roses. Yeah. It's not so traffic. That's good. It's not traffic in CCLX, of course, since you have to pay toll, which is 90 pesos.
Maybe not now. Maybe in the next few days.
Yeah, it will be traffic because of Sinulog. But
maybe not.
Yeah, we
knows?
are going to BE Resort in Mactan. We're checking in for one night because
just because
we want to chill. And Vingle deserves a break.
Job break.
Okay.
I'm sick.
Yeah, she's sick.
Still.
So yeah, earlier we went to Cebu Doctors, had her check up, and yeah, she just got meds, which are a lot.
Yes.
So she has to take a rest.
Expensive meds.
Take a rest for
it's
how
so
many
expensive
days?
to get sick.
I know, it is. But you have insurance, so it's okay.
Yeah. Not with meds. Only for checkup.
Yeah, that's correct.
But at least. So there's some instruction.
I really love driving here, you know?
Because the road is just so fine.
Yeah.
And then,
no bumps or anything.
yeah, no traffic.
Yeah.
Straight.
And love the view as well.
Of
you
course.
Know? All right.
We'll let you see it. Chilling.
Later, let's go. Alright guys, we've arrived here in BE Resort. We're checking in. And Miss Colleen is so nice to welcome us. Hi! Alright. It's actually raining. It took us some time to drive here. I thought going to CCLX would be the best idea because it's not traffic, but it's the farther route. Alright guys, we've checked in now here in our room. And as you guys can see, Vingle and I are munching on with some mango. So Vingle has been craving for one since yesterday, was it? I actually brought her some mango the other day. Was it last week? The other day, right?
Other day.
Yeah. When we were driving here, she was like, stop, there's a mango. And obviously I cannot stop suddenly. There's like, you know, like traffic enforcer, that's right. So, good thing we had the opportunity to stop in one. Look, we have a lot of mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 mangoes.
Yes.
But they are pretty small ones.
So yeah.
Guys, bon appetit. So yummy. Especially the salt is spicy. Alright guys, we are going to check out the swimming pool first. So this is their swimming pool. It's drizzling right now. No one's here. Look at that. Wow. Hello. Nice pool. We're gonna go to the beach. To the beach we go.
We can go here, we can go here.
Here. Picture? Look. Ah, it's too bad it's raining though. I love this cove kind of. It's good, isn't it? we're walking, guys, barefoot towards the inflatable. They have inflatable thing here, but I think it's already closed. We just want to go walk. Hoy, it's slippery.
No?
It is.
Be careful.
A bit. Too bad that the weather is not cooperating. It is drizzling. You want to?
Crazy.
Hey, it's not that deep, isn't
No,
it?
It isn't.
It's actually white sand, but
Just
it's
like in
very,
YouTube.
it's not fine. The sand is not fine.
Ooh, like the wave.
It's not fine. Okay, so the inflatable is there.
Inflatable. Ugma lang tamali
Yeah.
siguro. Maybe just for us.
Wait, it's so weird because it's like doing like this,
Ooh,
isn't it?
It's waving.
It's waving.
Look at that.
What do you want to drink?
No water, just water.
Just water for her. I want margarita. No more margarita for me. Fresh juice. This is freshly squeezed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Strawberry milkshake.
Strawberry milk.
Guys, bon appetit. We have our fries.
It's already half.
I know.
You've been eating already before you say bon appetit. Just kidding.
You ate all of it, not me.
I just had. This is just my second one.
Second,
Yes.
20th. I have your strawberry milkshake. Bingo cannot have any shake.
I have water.
You're not supposed to have that kind of water,
No, it's cold.
just because it's cold. We're just waiting for a pizza. We ordered all meat pizza. They only have 3 options: all meat, Hawaiian, and margarita.
Yeah.
We're not gonna have Hawaiian. I don't like pineapple in my pizza. Anyway, guys, let's eat. This is pretty huge. Like, I don't think we could finish this.
Finish this. Finish this.
You have to. We can take this to the room. We could have just gotten. It's better. This view is better anyway. Right, let's try. Oh,
You
it's
want me
not
to put something from you?
burnt.
You? You want?
I want my pizza burnt, you know, at the bottom. This one isn't. But
I
let's
can ask
see.
him to burn it for you. It's gonna be black all over. You want me to put something?
No, I'll try it as it is.
Okay.
Bon appetit. Mm.
I want it to be.
It's okay. Not too bad. Do you like it?
Yeah. I'm good. You can finish this.
Mm.
Just kidding.
It's actually very quiet here. I was surprised. I thought there's gonna be a lot of people that would check in for Sinulog in the next
It's
few
still
days.
far.
Yeah, for sure. But
Maybe
maybe
in Cebu City, all rooms are occupied.
Yeah.
There's a hotel in the city, diba?
the prices are high as well. Expected. Alright guys, we are already done with our dinner. I think that's gonna be our dinner already. We actually took it out. Look, we'll bring this to the room and we'll munch onto this if in case we will ever get hungry later on.
They opened it.
They opened it? Yeah. We can go to the deck now and check it out. Let's go. It's right here. Let's see the deck. Wow, I really love their lighting here, guys. It's so pretty. The deck. Ta-da! Ah, okay. It's like a bar. Like that. Hello! Thank you. Thank you. Wow, so this is how it looks. You'll have a view of the swimming pool right there.
Beautiful view here.
Look. Ta-da! It's like a rooftop. This is the rooftop, but it's not in the roof. Just the deck. And the swimming pool is right there. Cool. Yeah. We just ate actually. Maybe we'll come back later.
What time
Yeah.
are you gonna be closing?
12? Okay, yeah. We're so full. We just went from the salt.
It's okay, ma'am. We have more drinks para
Drinks?
pawala po na.
Pamahilis. Later na lang.
Uh,
Sige, thank you. This is a cool spot to chill. Unfortunately, we're pretty full. Alright, we'll come back here maybe later for some margarita.
No more drinks for you.
And no more drinks for
No
me.
more.
Alright,
Probably just one glass.
one
It's
glass.
okay, diba? At least it's not gonna, you know, touch your brain. Touch your brain. Touch your brain.
The lighting here is so lit. Yeah.
It's gonna
So, time check now is
6:15.
yeah. We're gonna go back to the room, guys. I'll check the video if it has been uploaded, and maybe we'll come back later, like after I upload everything. And Vingle has to get pajama from the car.
Yes, later.
She forgot to bring her pajama. Back here in the room, and Vingle and I actually dropped by SMC side before we drove all the way here, because since this is a spontaneous staycation, I didn't bring any swimwear, and so is Vingle. So look, I'll show you what are the stuff that we got in there quickly. First, I went to H&M, and this is the swimwear that I got. So this is how the top looks like. It's a halter type kind of top. This is how it looks. I really like this one because this area right here actually pushes your something so that you will have if you're like mine, which is non-existent. And then this is the bottoms. This is a black one. I decided not to get the green one with this because yeah, I just didn't want to. Let's try to mix and match. So we have a black bottom. It's so skimpy. Look. And then we do have here this. I got t-shirts from Bench, and also Vingle got shorts, which I'm not gonna show you. She doesn't want to. You guys will see it later. Look, I have here this t-shirt. So cute. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the day, I mean. It's so cute. This yellow one, of course, my favorite color. It says
Yellow Cebuana.
girls just want to have sun. Some
We don't have sun tomorrow.
I know. We're gonna swim and then maybe check out the billiard. You wanna play billiards? Alright, guys. We are heading out. It's almost 8 p.m. but the swimming pool will be open up until 9. So alright, guys, we are in the pool and now we're here in their gym. Their gym is pretty decent. Look, that's how it looks. And we have 2 pool tables right here. So I think Vingle and I are gonna play pool first on our bikini. But no one is actually here, so I think it's fine. No one else is here. But I think if I'm gonna take my towel off, the guard's gonna be like, Mom, you have to wear.
You will do it.
Oh, I shot one.
There you go. There.
Getting good.
Wow.
It's freaking cold. Actually, I didn't quite enjoy the pool because I got dizzy. I mean, I don't know what happened, but after I went to the water, I got really bad headache.
I enjoyed it.
She enjoyed it a lot. So windy. We're heading back to the room, and then I think we're gonna order some food for dinner and maybe come out later. We're gonna watch the stars. Stargazing.
There's no stars.
There
Dark
is.
clouds.
I
Hashtag
know.
Chinilas ni ano.
Hello guys, we are back here in the room. Actually, we drove to Jollibee here in Lapu-Lapu because the restaurant here closes at 9 p.m. and we finish swimming at 9 p.m. So they're not taking orders anymore. They do have the deck, which is like their bar area, but I don't think they serve food. So yeah. Anyway, you guys have watched the video before this. I know I got so drunk. That was my very first time. Please don't judge. That was so embarrassing, at the same time funny. I just want to be, you know, real with you guys and share, you know, what has been happening. It's a raw vlog, okay? So you guys can see like our life here in Cebu pretty much. But yeah, that was my first time getting drunk. It was not good at all. I hated it the next morning. Actually, when we arrived in Vingol's like room, it was so crazy. Like the walls kept spinning and I just could not sleep. Good thing that Vingo was there to help me. I feel like I was dying. I'm not gonna do it anymore. That was pretty insane. Like, who does that? Like, why would people want to get drunk like every day? That's not good. It doesn't feel good. It's like you're gonna die. I don't know why. Like, I could not sleep because everything's just spinning and I feel like I'm gonna fall over. Wow. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.